Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, FunX Creation. So for today's video, I got so many requests to make Princess Anna after I made the previous video which was Princess Elsa. So I'm gonna make that today, DIY Princess Anna. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go!
So for this I need craft wire, newspaper, paper clay and some paints. So as you can see, I have taken these two craft wires and now I'll just stick them together using a clear tape. And then as you can see, I'll just take my plier and I'll just use it to give the perfect shape for the body. So this is how the body looks right now. And now I'll just start applying the newspaper on this body. And usually I just apply normal silver foil, but over here I'm just showing how you can also use newspaper instead of foil. So you just have to cover the body completely till it becomes thick. And now for the hands also. After that I'll just stick the head, so I'll just crush the newspaper and stick it on top of this body, so it will be the head like this. And then to give the perfect shape for the body, perfect curves, I'll just use some paper clay. So once that is done, I'll just take this cardboard and I'll just cover it into a cone shape like this. So this will be the dress for the body. And I'll just stick these two together right now. After that, I'll just start applying the paper clay over here also on the body and on the dress as well. And then I'll just use my sculpting tools to give the perfect design. So now that is done, I'll just use the tools again. For the head also, I'll just apply paper clay here also. And now for the eyes and nose, I'll just use my sculpting tools. After that, I'll just make the hairs also. So this will be the base for the hair. And then I'll just start applying the paper clay for the bangs and then the braids also. And now for the dress detailing, I'll just apply some paper clay, and over here I will be making the cape. So for that I'll just apply the paper clay over here. So this is how the base looks right now. Okay, so once that is done, now I'll just apply this paper clay over here also. So it will give you the perfect dress folds. And then you can also use your fingers and little bit water to merge it. And after that I'll just make the braids using the paper clay. So Princess Anna has two braids, so I'll just make those.
Okay guys, so once this is done, it looks something like this. Now I'll just take this circle out of cardboard and I'll make a hole inside it, and then I'll just stick it on the bottom part. And then I'll
I'll just take this craft wire again and I'll just fold it from the middle, and then I'll just give it a shape like this. As you can see, this is the shape which I'll want, and then I'll just use the newspaper again to cover this up. And now I'll just apply the paper clip for the legs also over here. So as you know, she wears a boot, so I'll just make the boot over here using my sculpting tools. And then I'll just make the hole again properly, and then I'll just insert it over here. So this is how it looks. So I'll just keep it to dry, and after one day it looks something like this, and I've already scrubbed it with the sandpaper. And now I'll just start painting Anna. So for the base of her skin, I'll just paint with light shade of skin color acrylic paint, and then over here for the sleeves I'll just paint the steel green, a very beautiful teal green color. After that, her dress is navy blue, so I'll just paint that. So she has her hands in the pockets, so I'll just give the effects like that. So after the dress is done, now I'll just highlight it by using white acrylic paint and then merging it with water and the paint. So this is how it looks, shaded and beautiful. Now over here I'll just paint this part black. You can also refer to a Princess Anna picture, so you can easily get an idea where to paint which color, and then after that you just have to color the back side also. After doing that, I'll just start making the eyes and the lips of Princess Anna, and then for the boot I'll just paint it black. And over here also I'll just highlight it with white acrylic paint and the details she has on her boots. So once that is done, now she also has a little bit design on her dress, so I'll just make that also with light blue paint. And some pink paint over here. Now I'll just take a pen, or you can also take a Sharpie, and just detail her eyes and the facial expressions. So after detailing the face, I'll also draw her lips. And this is the fabric I'm going to use for her cape. So I'll just stick it over here, and this is the shape you will need for the cape. So this has to be stuck at the behind part of the body, and then this one over here on the shoulders. So I've taken this beautiful pinkish velvet fabric, and I'll just stick it like this. So this is how it looks from the back side also and from the front. Now I'll just start painting the final thing, which is the hair. So she has brown hairs, and I'll just paint that. And now I'll just highlight the braids and also the hairs. So once that is done, as we all know, she has this one strand of hair which is completely icy white. So I'll just do that also. And then this is the completed look, guys, of Princess Anna. This is how she looks. And oh my god, it looks just like her. And I was really very excited for making this. So this was your idea, guys. I hope you liked it. If you didn't, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.